few years back, I went on a camping trip and I was insistent on making whipped cream to go with the chocolate cake that I had. However, I didn't bring a whisk, so I came up with a little nifty idea, and I promise you it works. You can whip your cream in a jar within a minute and a half if you use a bit of whipping cream. Make sure the whipping cream is cold, and then I'll pour it into the jar, nice clean jar. Now you only want to fill this up halfway because you need that space in the jar so it agitates and therefore thickens. So lid goes on, make sure it's on nice and tight so it doesn't go everywhere. And then shake, shake, shake. Give that about a minute and a half. All right, I think it's ready. I'm puffed out now. Oh, look at that. Perfectly whipped cream. And you know what? This is a great idea to do with the kids. You can get them to whip it. It may take them a little longer than 90 seconds, but it'll keep them distracted, and that's all that counts. Look at that. Perfectly whipped cream. Love it.